Hello everybody and welcome back to another easy way video where I'm going to teach you how to fix Roblox stuck on loading screen when you're playing on PS4 or PS5. So, the first step is to rebuild PlayStation database. This will erase all saved game data, so process this with caution. Then turn off your PlayStation completely. Press and hold the power button until you hear 2 beeps on PS4 or 1 long beep on PS5. Then select Rebuild Database from the Save Mode options. The second step is to adjust graphics settings, so you have to access to Roblox settings and lower settings like texture quality, shadows, effects. The next step is to disable HDR, so you have to go to your PlayStation options. Then you have to find the display settings and disable HDR. So the final step is to verify game installation. You have to check the game installation status in the Play Store. So make sure that you have the latest version of Roblox and that will fix it. So if this video was useful for you, you can subscribe, press the bell in the subscription button, comment and whatever. So see you next time and this is the way. Goodbye.